Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by planning and prioritizing safety before any electrical work begins. Obtain a local electrical permit before installing a generator or transfer switch. Hire a licensed electrician if you are not certified to do wiring. Choose a generator sized for your loads, for example 500 watts for basic home needs. Keep portable generators at least 20 feet from doors and windows to avoid carbon monoxide. Use fuel storage guidelines and cool-down time recommendations from the manufacturer. Use a transfer switch to isolate generator power from the grid and protect utility workers. Install an automatic or manual transfer switch rated to the generator wattage, for example 500 watts. Do not connect a generator directly to house wiring without a transfer switch and main breaker isolation. Match the generator outlet to a dedicated inlet using a 30A or 50A configuration. Run the inlet cable in conduit to the transfer switch location. Label the switched circuits to indicate generator power only. Follow a strict startup and shutdown checklist every time you use the generator. Shut off the utility main breaker before closing the transfer switch to the generator source. Start the generator outside. Run for at least 5 minutes to stabilize voltage before connecting loads. Turn circuits on one at a time, avoiding overload and watching the generator load percentage. Monitor fuel levels and oil, and keep a carbon monoxide detector near living spaces. When utility power returns, reverse the sequence and let the generator cool before refueling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.